Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic what is web service. Friend, this is a very important topic with respect to software development and IT services. So let's start. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. What is web service? Friend, as per the definition, web service is a standardized medium to propagate communication between the client and the server application on the World Wide Web or Internet. A web service is a software module that is designed to perform certain set of tasks. That is the very basic concept and a definition of a web service. Just see this diagram, friend. First of all, see, this is the client server architecture. This is the client, like this is a personal desktop machine, and this is the server, like any server machine on which we will host the web service. Okay, so now what will happen, like you request from here, like request from client to server. From this client machine, the request will go on this server. This is the server having the web service hosted here, and from this from the host, the response will go back to the client. For example, you are a person and you have opened, for example, you have opened the amazon.com, for example. So from amazon.com, the request will go from here, from client the request will go here. The web service will return the products of the Amazon, the prices, and the response will go back from here. So this is the very simple example of web service. Remember that we have to host web service somewhere so that it can receive the request, and after processing it will respond back. So friend, let me give you and explain more that how web service work. For example, Amazon provides a web service that provide prices to for products sold online via amazon.com. The front end or presentation layer can be in .NET or Java, but either programming language would have the ability to communicate with the web service. Let's assume that you are making your own website. For example, on the website you want to show the prices from the product prices from the amazon.com. So amazon.com can give you a web service which you can call, and when you call, the web service will return these prices of the product. Okay, this is the very simple example. The main component of a web service design is the data, which is transferred between the client and the server. Client is the machine from which the request will go out, and the server where the web service host, and the server after processing the web service, the response will go back to the client, and that is the XML. XML, extensible markup language, is a counterpart to HTML and easy to understand, the intermediate language that is understood by many programming languages. So when applications talk to each other, they actually talk in XML. This provides a common platform for application developed in various programming languages to talk to each other. Basically, friend, just imagine that through web service, two applications can talk to each other. Like from client, the request will go on the server where the web service host, and from web service hosted on the host on the server, the response will go back to the client. So this is the very simple. You can also imagine, like for example, you are making application on which you want to show the weather forecast, for example. So any particular company can expose a web service through which you can call and get the weather forecast. Another example of exchange rates, for you can, any software company can expose a web service through which you can get the foreign exchange rates. You just give a call, and the foreign you can get the foreign exchange rates as well. So all these are the very simple example of the web service. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you, thanks for watching the video.